And moving towards Jhaka. Steep ascent. After quite a bit of steep ascent, we just arrived at a local dhaba. Still on our way to Jhaka. So here lies our next destination, Jhaka. It's a hanging village. So just reached Jhaka. Other people are coming. Our backpacks are already here. So once everyone comes, we'll be allotted our spaces. I don't know if these are rooms or dormitories. This is a better place to stay, rather comfortable accommodation. The washrooms are even better than what we had before. Okay, so this is the room I'm staying. There are bus and umbrellas here as well. So this is how we are making calls from here. This is how we can only reach in BSNL SIM. Hi guys, so currently I'm at Jhaka. This is 20th, so second day of the trek, and today we will start our trek very soon. This is the view from Jhaka, from where we are staying. So we have started our journey today.
चेरी ट्रीज यहाँ ये जो फील्ड है ना मैक्सिमम वो यहाँ से ऊपर है ट्री लाइन दिखती है ना आपको इसमें फील्ड है सारी चेरी
So we are walking through the trail. It's beautiful views. You can see the peak, the snow-clad peak. Working towards Saruwas Thatch.
Oh, nice.
So we have entered the beautiful pine forest now. The same as strawberry here. Exactly same. We just tasted some wild berry. Exactly same as strawberry. Exactly same taste, just very small in size. And you will see here, you'll see in the side of the roads, wild berries. Small ones. It's a dense forest section. Pine forest all around. So we are at the end of the pine forest section here. So we just ended this section and we'll be moving towards the river now. This is the Rupin river. And we are on our way to Saruwas Thatch from Jhaka. We have walked around 2 hours, I think, at this point. Not even 2 hours, less than 2 hours. We'll reach around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It has been a good walk till now. So we just got down through this trail from Pine Forest, through this trail down below to this Rupin river. It looks absolutely magnificent, this particular place. I think we'll be waiting here for some time. Maybe we'll be having sandwich which were given while we are leaving. Packed lunch, not packed lunch, it's just snacks. Then we'll be having that. Expecting rain any moment now.
अब तो खत्म हो गया यार सीजन में वापस
It's a sweet dish with honey. Nice. पीठा जैसा है.
मिल्क कॉफी
Milk.
हाँ ठीक है एक
It's nice.
follow
May I milk?
चाय पानी सब
It's called shiddu. It's like pita. Try. क्या ये? Shiddu.
यहाँ पे क्या है ना चिल्ला नहीं है जो लोकल ग्रेन से बनता है वो अगले ढाबे पे है
ये shiddu. So this is Bhojpatra, the tree you see right in front of you. These are the trees where Ramayana, Mahabharata, everything was written. This is called Bhojpatra. So we just came inside the dhaba. It has started raining very heavily. We are going to try Rodo juice and something called chilla. So just trying the Rodo juice now. This is quite nice. So I was having chilla. I think I had this very similar, something very similar I think were given to us in Brahmatar trek. I don't know the name of that, but it was very similar.
और आगे थोड़ा स्लिपरी हो गया है मडी हो गया है तो ध्यान से चलिएगा
Started in the severe rain. This is going to be difficult. In this kind of weather, it gets very difficult to breathe, and the slopes are slippery as well. It is quite difficult. You see, people are coming slowly. But this trek just got very thrilling right now because of the weather. And I'm doing this again. I always thought that I could not record my experience in Hamta, but I'm getting that same experience again. Just see the trail. It's magnificent. It's a magnificent trail. It's thrilling, adventurous. Just too good. It's too good. Magnificent experience this is. We can see upper waterfall from here. You can see fresh snowfall that has happened there. It's magnificent. It's magnificent. The upper waterfall, if you can see, that's where we are going to go day after tomorrow. That's where we will be, at the top of that waterfall. You can see the upper waterfall from here as well. Don't know if you can see, but that's the campsite that we are going now, and the upper waterfall along with it. We have almost reached the camp, Saruwas Thatch camp. We are just crossing the river now. So we just reached our campsite at Saruwas Thatch. See, there is a river beside our campsite, and this are our camps.